Welcome to build a backend REST API with Python and the Django REST Framework. This is a highly focused course that will teach you how to build an API in Python using test-driven development. If you're watching this video, you probably already know the significance of Python. Python is one of the fastest growing, most versatile languages out there. Websites, backends, APIs, data analysis, DevOps automation, and blockchain, you name it, it can be done with Python. Any Python course is a great investment of time and money. But what separates this course from the others? Test-driven development. TDD is what separates the good developers from the great ones. This is because it vastly improves the reliability and robustness of the code. TDD is a buzzword that is frequently thrown around nowadays, but it's rarely ever implemented properly because it's challenging to get right. This course aims to demystify test-driven development by creating a very specific project using the best practice principles of TDD. We're going to be creating a fully functioning REST API that handles authentication, creating objects, filtering, uploading images, and more, all using test-driven development. The API we're going to be creating is a recipe API. Think of it as a virtual recipe box that you can use to organize your favorite recipes by title, ingredients, cooking duration, tags, and images. While building our API, you're going to learn Python, Django, Django REST Framework, Docker, Travis CI, and Postgres database. My name is Mark, and I'm a full-stack software engineer and instructor here on Udemy. I've been working professionally as a full-stack developer in London for the last 7 years. And for the last 5 years, I've specialized in Python and JavaScript. If you feel that this course is a bit too advanced for you, I have a beginner version of the course here on Udemy. I also have tons of free YouTube content, including the Beginner's Guide to Python. So if this course is for you, I promise that you'll be getting loads of hands-on experience putting test-driven development into practice. You'll come away with a fully functioning REST API that you can use as a foundation for your future projects. So let's dive in.